I have found a solution to the problem with your daughter.
A problem with your daughter?
Oh, really? What?
Right here. If the princess has not chosen a husband by the appointed time, then the Sultan shall choose for her.
But Jasmine hated all those suitors. How could I choose someone she hates?
Not to worry, my liege. There is more. If, in the event a suitable prince cannot be found, a princess must then be wed to... Interesting.
What? Who?
The royal vizier. Well, that would be... me.
But I thought the law says that only a prince can marry a princess. I'm quite sure that
Desperate times call for desperate measures, my lord.
Desperate measures.
You will order the princess to marry me.
I will order the princess to... But you're so old.
The princess will marry me.
Princess will marry... What is that? Oh, that music. Jafar, you must come and see this.
Clear the way in the old bazaar. Hey, you, let us through. It's a bright new star. Oh, come be the first on your block to meet his eye. Make way, here he comes. Ring bells, bang the drums. Are you gonna love this guy? Prince Ali, fabulous he, Ali Ababa. Genuflect, show some respect, down on one knee. Now try your best to stay calm. Brush up your Sunday salon. Then come and meet his spectacular coterie. Prince Ali, mighty is he, Ali Ababa. Strong as 10 regular men, definitely.
He faced the galloping hordes.
100 bad guys with swords.
Who sent those goons to their lord? Why, Prince Ali.
He's got 75 golden candles.
Don't they look lovely, June? Fabulous, Harry. I love the feathers. When it comes to exotic type mammals,
Has he got a zoo? I'm telling you, it's a world-class menagerie.
Prince Ali, handsome as he, Ali Ababa. That physique, how can I speak? Wicked the knee. Well, get on out in that square. Adjust your veil and prepare to gawk and grovel and stare at Prince Ali.
They're just lousy with loyalty to Ali.
Heard your princess was a sight lovely to see, and that good people is why he got downed up and dropped by.
With 60 elephants, stomachs galore, with his bears and lions and fresh and more, with his 40 bakers, his cooks, his bakers, his birds and water like
Splendid, absolutely marvelous.
Your Majesty, I have journeyed from afar to seek your daughter's hand.
Prince Ali Ababa, of course. I'm delighted to meet you. This is my royal vizier, Jafar. He's delighted too.
Ecstatic. I'm afraid, Prince Abubu.
Ababa.
Whatever. You cannot just parade in here uninvited and expect
By
to...
Allah, this is quite a remarkable device. Oh, I don't suppose I might...
Why, certainly, Your Majesty. Allow me.
Sire, I must advise against this.
Oh, but not Jafar. Learn to have a little... Whoa!
Just where did you say you were from?
Oh, much farther than you've traveled, I'm sure.
Try me.
Watch it! Watch it, the dumb dog!
Out of the way, I'm coming to land. Jafar, watch this.
Spectacular, Your Highness.
Oh, it was lovely. Yes, I do seem to have a knack for it. This is a very impressive youth. And a prince besides.
If we're lucky, you won't have to marry Jasmine after all.
I don't trust him, sire.
Nonsense. One thing I pride myself on, Jafar, I'm an excellent judge of character.
Oh, excellent judge, yeah, sure. Not.
Jasmine will like this one.
And I'm pretty sure I'll like Princess Jasmine.
Your Highness, no. I must intercede on Jasmine's behalf. This boy is no different from the others. What makes him think he is worthy of the princess?
Your Majesty, I am Prince Ali Ababwa. Just let her meet me. I will win your daughter.
How dare you? All of you, standing around deciding my future? I am not a prize to be won.
Oh, dear. Don't worry, Prince Ali. Just give Jasmine time to cool down. And
I think it's time to say goodbye to Prince Abubu.